welcome back.
All right, guys, it's Air Fryer Friday, and this is a quick and easy recipe. If you love s'mores, you can do it in your air fryer. I've got my air fryer warming up, preheated to 370.
370.
370. So you basically make a s'more. So if you want to break that up, I mean,
break them up or just
no, just cut it. Just do it in half.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, this is really simple. Super simple, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my marshmallows.
So like
and these,
that?
you can use jumbo marshmallows. Yep. Just do a couple.
Well,
yep. And then
not very even, but
I'll let you put them on 2 on each one. I mean, when we're talking simple, this is like uber simple. Yep. Very good. Very good.
And let's see, decisions.
I know.
Which cracker to put it on?
So this is.
My goodness.
This will make 4 s'mores.
Are they going to have? Okay.
Yep. So what we need to do after this little, after we put these on. No, that's fine. That's all you need. Because then cut this in half, and then this is where we're just going to have coffee and chat. Make sure you push them down so they stick and they don't fly up. So
that just broke the cracker.
Good work.
Do we need tops for them yet?
No, well, you wait. Yeah.
Okay, no,
so you put the liner in, and then you put these in there.
A big coffee liner.
Yep. Then you got these stuck on there?
In the section that has these?
No, actually, we had to order them online. Okay. Because I couldn't find them in any store that carried them. Okay.
So and are they all the same size, or some of them are bigger than others, aren't they?
This one, I don't know. So then you go to 370 or 375 for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
And then you wait. Now, what you want to do, it'll get, we had enough on there.
Okay.
If you use the parchment, you got to just kind of be careful because the air that circulates will make the parchment go up. So you want enough on there that you still can circulate the air and you get a good, nice toast.
Okay.
And so, I don't know.
So you heated it up to 375 and then you also put it on 375 when you go to cook it. Okay.
A lot of people don't, I do, I'm on like 4 or 5 air fryer sites because I love my air fryer, as you know. A lot of them don't heat them up, but for TV I thought, because this takes a little bit of time, I want to check it all the time.
So should you always preheat it then, or it depends on maybe what you're making?
It kind of depends on what you're making.
I guess it's kind of like the oven. You always have to preheat your oven just to get it going up to that speed.
What we need you to do is break up 4 more pieces, 4 more of those, because that's going to be the top. So what we're going to do is when this gets to the toasty, if you like yours really toasty brown, you let it go a little longer.
Okay.
Okay.
Molly, you're going to have to come taste these, you know.
And then,
And then these?
Yep, just open that up and just be ready because we're going to put those on these and then it will melt. They will actually melt.
Ever so slightly we want it to melt, right?
Yeah, well, I'm not a big s'more lover. So if you're going camping and it rains, bring your s'mores. If your kids want a nice treat.
Oh, are we going to put those on when
You're going to put those on. See, we're going to see how they're browning. You ready?
See, perfect s'more looking like.
Okay, so do you want them more?
I'm not going to eat them. It's up to you.
I'm not going to eat them either. So I'm just going to give it another little bit for TV purposes.
They look, the color looks nice when they're just ever so slightly browned.
Okay, so see this, the liners aren't my...
Are they hot? Is that liner hot?
Nope. Okay, so all you have to do is put your chocolate...
Oh, look
that one broke apart.
Oh, goodness.
Yep.
Okay.
I don't know if you can...
Can you see that?
Yep, just put it on there.
Hurry up, Carol. Let it melt,
let it melt. Oh, I used parchment before, but the parchment paper flew up, so...
Okay.
Okay, so then you just let it just melt. You're done.
Oh, okay.
Then you just let it melt a little bit, and then you top it, and then you have your s'more.
Can we take those out so we can put them on the plate?
Sure.
Here, wait, can you take the paper out?
Go ahead.
You're acting like maybe I shouldn't do that. Now what?
No, you just put the top. Well, you see now you can tell it's melting.
It is
melting, and then you just put your top on. There you go.
Perfect.
There is your s'more.
And there we go.
All within 5 minutes. So if you're gonna have a rainy day,
Ronnie.
something that kids can make, and who doesn't besides me, like a s'more.
Oh, look at yeah. These did melt just right. Oh, that one did.
I mean, it's absolutely perfect. So is it 375 for like
just
a minute and a half is all it took
at that.
to get that melty schmelty. So we're gonna try this later on.
That is nice.
Very simple. Super simple.
It is. And I still have to get. I got my son one for Christmas. I need to get one for me for now.
Yep.
So you can make a lot of those.
Yep.
Perfect.
Graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. That's all it
Easy
takes.
enough. That's what it is. Thanks,
Yep.
Ronnie.
You are welcome.
Well, we have a lot more coming up. Stay with us. We'll be back.